A chapter on the controversial 18th century Mysore ruler Tipu Sultan and his father Hyder Ali are among those that have been dropped from the Class 7 social science textbook. This comes after Karnataka government decided to reduce the 2020-21 syllabus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Other chapters left after the school syllabus includes those on constitutions, Islam and Christianity. The chapter on the controversial 18th century Mysore ruler Tipu Sultan and his father Hyder Ali are amongst those that have been dropped from the Class 7 social science textbook following Karnataka government's decision to reduce the 2020-21 syllabus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the chapters on the Tipu Sultan have been retained in the Class 6 and 10 books. The revised syllabus uploaded on the Karnataka Textbook Society website shows that in Class 7 social science text, Chapter 5 that deals with Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, historical places of Mysore and administrations of commissioners have been dropped. The Department of Public Instructions decided to reduce the syllabus for the year 2020-21 in view of the pandemic and disruption in the academic calendar for the year that have been brought down to the 120 working days. Responding to a question on dropping the chapter in Class 7, officials said it should be noted that the students study about Tipu Sultan from Class 6 and 10. A couple of months ago, amid the growing clamour from some BJP leaders to remove a chapter in the textbook glorifying Tipu Sultan, the government had constituted an expert committee to look into it. The committee, however, had recommended that the ruler cannot be ignored from the school syllabus. Commenting on the development, Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivakumar said that the BJP government was taking such decision with a political agenda in mind. Pointing out that Tipu Sultan was a historical figure, Shivakumar had said, "History is history. You cannot change history. We will not accept it. Congress will take it seriously by setting up a committee to look into it." Soon after coming to power, the BJP government in Karnataka had scrapped the birth anniversary celebration of Tipu Sultan, an annual government event the party had been opposing since 2015 when it was launched during the Congress rule led by Siddharamaiah. The BJP and some other organizations have been strongly opposing Tipu Sultan, calling the erstwhile Mysore king a religious bigot. Tipu Sultan was considered an implacable enemy of the British East India Company. He was killed in May 1799 while defending his fort at Srirangapatnam against the British forces. Tipu Sultan, however, is a controversial figure in the Kodagu district as Godavas, Kurgis, a martial race, believe that thousands of their men and women were held captive during his occupations and subjected to torture, death and forcible conversion to Islam. He was also accused of execution of Mandayam Iyengars at the temple town of Malkote in Mandya district on the day of Deepavali as they supported the then Maharaja of Mysuru. However, the scale of such suppression is disputed by several historians as they see Tipu Sultan as a ruler who took on the might of the British. Bureau Report.